whatever it is that your dreams are, whatever your goals are, whatever God's calling you to. Really wanting to accomplish more in your life than what you're accomplishing and feel better and, be healthier and all those kinds of things. I'm going to tell you about a very simple continuous improvement strategy that is basically 2 steps that you just repeat over and over again. And I'm going to tell you about a superpower that you're going to need for everything in your life that you didn't even probably ever hear of. The 2-step strategy is this. You are going to basically create a simple system, and you're going to continuously improve the simple system. The 2 steps are you plan, and then you test it. And then you plan again, you test it. You keep doing that until, each time you try it, you're learning what's working and what's not working. And the superpower that comes in handy in life, in absolutely everything that we do, but especially when you're trying to do this, is called continence. The virtue of continence is the virtue in the will by which one remains steadfast despite the tumult of the appetites. Now, what this is saying is that if you have a plan or you've made a decision that you're going to do something or not do something, you have this plan and you're going to stick to it. You're going to stick to it no matter what you feel like doing. Whether you feel like relaxing, you feel like eating, you feel like, anything. You just don't feel like doing what you're supposed to be doing on your plan. But you stick to it. And this is the virtue of continence. Plan the system, and then you try it. You test it. See what works, what doesn't. You learn from that. You do it again. Okay? And you stick to your plan to the best of your ability, and you don't let anything stop you, okay? So I've got this guy in my thumbnail today, okay? It could be anything. It could be anything. The world, the flesh, the devil, okay? Your flesh being what you feel like, okay? Your emotions, your appetites, whatever it is. So we all know that routines are really helpful for accomplishing anything. A system is just a routine. And the system that I am working on right now is my morning routine. And I'm basically taking my usual morning routine and I'm improving upon it, which is a great way to get something into your life, is to take something that's already happening in your life and add to it, tweak it. So last night, I wrote down the steps of a new routine. Basically, it's building on what's already working in my morning routine. While the coffee is brewing, I'm listening to my readings and I'm stretching. Then I take the coffee upstairs. So then, instead of sitting there and lollygagging and getting distracted, etc., I jumped into my Ignatius readings. So after I did those readings, the plan was to get on the treadmill, do my physical therapy exercises, and then sit down and do some actual writing for a script for this. And so I did those things. Everything took longer than I thought it was going to take, but I kind of knew it was going to take much longer than I was planning, but I was learning about what was causing things to take longer, how much could I get done, and I benefited from what I did get done, and I know what I'm going to do differently tomorrow. So certain things I'm going to do a little bit differently tonight for tomorrow, and things that I'm going to do differently tomorrow. So you get the idea. I did get my workout in. I didn't get my auxiliary Christian Oram prayers done. I did get to listen to my readings. I did do my stretches. I did my physical therapy and my treadmill. So it's better. And tomorrow it's going to get even better. Well, tomorrow I'm going to be under an even tighter time period. So I'm going to see what I learned tomorrow. And the other thing is practicing the virtue of continence. So this is the superpower. So not letting myself be distracted into things. So tomorrow I'm going to try again, and I'm going to make some improvements based on what I learned from it today. I've got a shorter time period in which to work. I was practicing the virtue of continence, which is the superpower that helps us to stay steadfast no matter what we feel like doing. And it's going to just keep getting better. So I hope that you have a great rest of your day and that you are thinking about how you can make your life so much better, accomplish everything that you didn't think that you could accomplish just by creating a system that's going to repeat and repeat and repeat and repeat until you get healthier or create something that you've never created before. Whatever it is that your dreams are, whatever your goals are, whatever God's calling you to. I feel like God's calling me to be healthy, live a long life, and to be able to use the gifts that He gave me. So I will be back again tomorrow with another video, and I will let you know how things are going. And who knows what I'll be talking about tomorrow besides that. Okay? So I hope you have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye-bye.